Welcome back. This is lesson 8, which is the last lesson in this section of the training copy and paste options. Still on the training how to get started with Excel. In this lesson, we'll be looking at other paste options. I am Amaka Ifebunando, your instructor. To explore the other paste options, we'll first of all copy the cell range we would love to paste. I'll select this range and I'll use my Ctrl C keyboard shortcut to copy. Good. The copy action is active as we can see on the moving borders. Right. Select the point at which you want to paste it. Go to your Home tab under the clipboard section. Click on the Paste button drop-down arrow. The first option is the Keep Source Formatting. All right, I'll explore that. So the keep source formatting will preserve all the formatting on the copied range, right? All the formatting there, you see the borders is still there. Our text is well formatted, bold, numbers are formatted, everything. It preserves all the formatting, right? So the second is, we'll explore, now we'll be using the paste option. Remember, I said this paste option appears immediately you paste. So it helps you to explore other paste options, right? So I'll use this to explore other paste options. So this is the one we just applied, the keep source formatting. So we'll apply the no borders and watch. So there's no borders now. You can see our selected range has border, but because we selected the option no border, there's no border on this range we just pasted. Right, so we'll explore the next one, which is the keep source column width. It preserves, that is, this will now keep the column width the way it is from the copied cell range. Right, good. You can see that the column width is now exactly the same with the one we copied. So it keeps the column width and other formatting, all the formatting on the cell range. Right, so the next one we'll be looking at is the picture. Now we have the picture option. Look at it. We want to paste as picture, and you see the effect now. Good. Immediately the picture tools appears on the ribbon because it recognizes this as a picture. So the picture tool, you can format. You can apply any picture formatting to this, right? So it appears. So it's telling you that this is the picture, right? So the next one is the linked picture. I'll apply it. Now, what's the difference? This is also a picture because the picture tools is also active. But the only difference is that the data here is linked to this, meaning that whatever change that happens here is reflected here, right? Whatever change we do here is also reflected here. So you can just watch and see. Immediately I tap, the copy action will be deactivated. I'll just type 90,000. Good. Are you seeing the sales here is now 90,000? So whatever action you apply here will be reflected. It's a picture though, but the data is linked to this, right? Good. So that is the difference with the picture and the linked picture. They are both pictures, but the linked picture, the data is linked to the cell range. That's the copied cell range, right? So any changes we make here will be reflected here. So I'll just delete this. And the next thing we want to explore is how to paste data validation and comments. You can see here I have a comment that says sales report. I just want to copy the comment. I'll select it, use my Ctrl C to copy, select the point I want to paste, go to my paste option button, select the drop down arrow. You see a paste special at the bottom, click on it. You have your paste special dialog box up. I just want to paste comment. I'll click on comment. Good, and I'll say okay. Immediately your comments is, you can see the comment has been applied. I'll now escape to deactivate. So the comment is now applied. I just paste only comment, right? So the next we'll be exploring is how to paste data validation. I applied data validation on this range. Data validation restricts users' inputs. So the user is just restricted to either select good, fair, and bad. So I would like to copy this data validation, not the content, but the data validation. So what I'll do first is to use my Ctrl C to copy, right? So after I copy, I go to the clipboard section of the Home tab, click on the drop down arrow on the paste button. You still use the paste special option. Your paste special dialog box pops up. This is where I want to paste it. Sorry. Okay, first of all, select the point you want to paste it. I missed that. So you select the point you want to paste it. You go to your clipboard section of the Home tab, click on the drop down arrow, use the paste special option here, then click on data validation. You see the validation after the comment, there's a validation option there. Select it and click OK. Good. So I'll just click escape to deactivate my copy. Good. So you can see that we now have our data validation here. So all the cell range has data validation in it. That's how to apply to copy and paste data validation. So these are the different paste options we just explored in this lesson. And I believe we'll have a better understanding of each one of them. Please ensure you walk along while going through this lesson in order to gain better understanding. So this brings us to the end of this lesson and this section of the training. See you in the next section.